How to back up WhatsApp business chats. Want to keep your chat history safe? Here's how to back it up in WhatsApp business. First, go to settings and select chats. Click chat backup and choose backup now. This saves your messages and media to your connected cloud storage account. You can also enable auto backup so your chats are saved regularly without you having to do it manually. Make sure you have enough cloud storage space before starting the backup process. Do you backup chats weekly or monthly? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can back up WhatsApp business chats. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.